How you doing, nature lovers? Very special day today. I'm down at Nature Reserve. One of the wardens have just told me they've got a very special bird has laid an egg in this very hedgerow. It lays one egg every 5 years. That's how rare this is. It's called the lesser spotted fuckknuckle. And we're here. He said so long as we're very, very quiet, we can go up and film it. So we're very, very, very lucky. Oh, here we are. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at the size of that. That's a hell of a size. If I gently show you. If I put my hand in, maybe you can see the size of this. Look at that. Look. That's beautiful. Oh, fuck! Shit!